Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Xero files for US tax reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Xero files for US tax reporting, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Reports section from the menu. Select Financial and then choose the General Ledger Report. Customize the date range for your report according to your tax reporting needs. Once your report is set, click on the Export option in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF or CSV. If you select CSV, the file will be downloaded to your computer. For additional backup, go to the Reports section again. This time, locate the tax reports. Select the sales tax report to ensure compliance with state regulations. Set the desired date range and export this report as well. Next, move to the Transactions section in the main menu. Here, select Bank Statements and download a copy of your bank statement reports. These documents are crucial for accurate tax reporting and reconciliation. Ensure to also back up your invoices. Go to the Business menu and select Invoices. Export all necessary invoices as a CSV file. Repeat this process for purchase bills and expense claims. It's important to maintain records of all transactions and supportive documents. Consider backing up your employee payroll information if applicable. Visit the Payroll section and download relevant payroll reports. To ensure you have everything, conduct a final review of your reports. Check that you have all necessary financial statements and supporting documents for your tax returns. Lastly, store all downloaded files securely, either in a cloud service or external drive. This will safeguard your data and ensure easy access during tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.